Welcome to my channel, Suno Aur Seekho. Here we learn everything in a fun and easy way. Let's start learning together.
Let's learn alphabets together. Yay!
Good morning, children.
Morning, Ren.
Children, in our last class, we learned the first 5 alphabets, S, A to E. Today, we will learn the next 5 alphabets, F to J.
Yay!
F for fun. Fun means pankha. Look, children, this is a fan.
Fun, pankha.
G for goat. Goat means bakri. Look, children, this is a goat.
Goat, bakri.
H for hen. Hen means murgi. Look, children, this is a hen.
Hen, murgi.
I for iron. Iron means istri. Look, children, this is an iron.
Iron man, istri.
J for jumping giraffe. Giraffe means zarafa. Look, children, this is a giraffe.
Giraffe means zarafa.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please follow Suno Aur Seekho. Children, if you watched and listened to this whole class, then don't forget to tell us in the comments.